We're here again for another unboxing video. Today's video, we're going to unbox the new Slit Valve Door manifold that we have for the Endura tools. And that is part number AC-150-2321. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we have a package with instructions and some extra materials there, and then we also have our manifold. So this is the Valin solution for the obsolete SPD manifold on the Endura tools. There are various configurations of this manifold. This manifold will work for any of those configurations. We have the valve positions fully populated. Okay, so here's our valve assembly. Still compatible with the existing tools. We have the inlet and the exhaust. We also have our process controls and our process valves. Comes with a ribbon cable that is fully compatible with the Applied Materials controller board. And so once you install this, you can connect the ribbon cable and all of the signaling is fully compatible. So let's look in our bag here. We have instructions, step by step, with some graphics as well, and field tested. In our kit of parts, comes with a Torx tool. If you ever need to remove these valves, this is the tool for that. We have some extra tubing that you can use to route the exhaust for this manifold. Additionally, we have some extra plugs for the process ports in case they're needed. And we also have 4 extension brackets for the tray that this manifold sits in. This overall height of the manifold is a little bit higher and requires that the tray in the Endura tool be lowered. And so we've provided some extension brackets and the hardware to enable that. And this completes the Slit Valve Door manifold kit from Valin for the Endura wafer processing tools. Thank you.